In the previous video, we have discussed about the environment and the four domains of the environment, that is lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Now in this video of class 7th geography chapter 1, our environment will proceed to the another topic, and the name of the topic is ecosystem. Ecosystem, what is ecosystem? So, living beings like plants and animals inhabit many different environments. From the poles to the equator, life can be found underground, in air, in water, and on land. So, each ecosystem is formed by the interaction of all the living organisms with each other and with the physical environment in which they live. So, we can see life is found on air also, on land also, in water also, right? We can in underground also. So life exists everywhere. So each of these forms an ecosystem. Each ecosystem is formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical environment in which they live. For a very good example of ecosystem is we can take an aquarium, where living and non-living things interact with each other. Okay, so it can be as large, ecosystem can be as large as rainforest, grasslands, deserts, lakes, rivers, or as small as a pond. A pond's ecosystem may contain tiny plants such as diatoms, green algae, and very small animals such as rotifers and copepods. Most of the ecosystems are complex and contains thousands of interacting species. So these species interact with each other and also with the abiotic. Abiotic means non-living environment. So in every ecosystem, there is a perfect balance or equilibrium in the transfer of energy and matter among the different components. This is known as ecological balance. In every ecosystem, there is a equilibrium or perfect balance in the transfer of energy and matter among different components. So we can say in one word that in every ecosystem there should be an ecological balance. Now move to another topic, that is human environment. Human environment is very important topic because we are human beings and we form an environment which is known as human environment. If we talk about human environment, it is formed by human beings and their creations such as roads, bridges, etc., and the social, economic, political, and other conditions in which they live. So, human environment is greatly influenced by the natural environment. This influence decides the lifestyle, occupation, dress, food habits, and nature of habitats of human beings. So, early humans lived in harmony with the natural surroundings. They lived a simple life. Even they could fulfill their basic needs from the nature around them. With the invention of wheel, transportation became easier and faster. Later, trade and commerce developed, and with scientific and technological advancements, human beings succeeded in controlling and dominating nature. So, human environment is the environment which is made up of human beings and their creations. Creations may anything can come: roads, house, bungalows, buildings, scientific and technological advancement, etc. Here we'll talk about the human environment interaction. We human beings are interacting with the physical environment. Physical environment means our surrounding, like water, river, air, etc. So there's an interaction between human beings and the physical environments available around us, and without that interaction, human beings cannot survive. So the physical environment provides human beings with different materialistic needs. Activities like farming, fishing, forestry, and mining still require raw material without which no society can survive or progress. So human beings and their activities also represents the greatest danger to the environment. Environment is giving us many things, but our activity is causing danger to the environment. Why? Because we are creating pollution, we are destroying the environment, and today also we are suffering. Corona disease is also one of the reason that of the human activities. So since starting of the human civilization, people have only used nature for its existence. They exploited and misused for their existence, right? Human beings, what they did, they exploited and misused the things available on the nature, due to which what happened, the balance of the environment has been disturbed. So when the disturbance made by the human beings in the environment were less, nature could easily repair it. But when the disturbance caused by the human beings would be faster or high, then the nature will not be able to repair itself. Due to which what will happen? There will be disharmony created among the nature and the human beings. So we should maintain, the human being should maintain an equilibrium with the nature. So if the question come, the equilibrium in the transfer of energy and matter among the different components is called, what would be the answer? Ecological balance. If the question come, human environment is greatly influenced by, what would be the answer? Nature.